Yo, good morning, family. Welcome in, welcome in. Yo, luckily the hard work was done yesterday to pass these accounts. Not a lot to do. Oop. Not a lot to get done. We just gotta go ahead and cross the finish line, I guess, by trading. I don't know the actual rules. If I can scalp some minis, that's what I'm gonna try to do. Or some micros, I mean. That's what we're gonna be trying to get done today. We're over the 53,000 buffer. I'm actually go to my Tradeify real quick. Make sure that it's all simple stuff. So 3 out of 5 days, profit target reach. Your biggest day cannot be more than 50%, which it's not. So yeah, just 2 trading days. So that just mean I can trade a micro and get over the finish line? Because that'd be sick. That's what we're gonna hope for. That is what we're gonna hope for. Can barely hear you. Oh, all right. Is this any better, Dave? My volume's all the way up, unfortunately. Is the music too loud? Turn my mic up. Any better at all, Dave? Good morning, King. Welcome in. First and foremost, barely hear you. Is the music too loud? Better though. Damn. I have my thing on all the way. Let me see if I can change this setting here. Unlock volume. Rename. Good morning though, King. Hope you're enjoying your stay in Thailand. Doing well. Enable down mixing. Default. Is it? I don't know. I'm sorry that it's not great. Brom, good morning, King. Welcome in. Work as well. Doing great. How are you doing, King? Welcome in. You watching longs or shorts? Let me take a quick gander at that, Dave. I haven't actually peeked price action. Let's go check out the daily chart real fast. For the daily chart, man, we're getting some barcode whiplash on the daily chart, family. Honestly, we're pretty choppy conditions right now, so be cautious no matter what you're doing. But 1 second, just gotta get this pulled up. I'm not exactly sure yet, Dave, to be honest. Not exactly sure. Right now we're in very choppy conditions. It's indecisive. We're below the VWAP, but we're going back and forth, barcoding. We're at the EMA on the dailies, so anything could happen here. Literally anything could happen. Danny, good morning, Queen. Welcome in. Absolutely. Missed you. You taking any trades today prior to this? Or it's crazy. We're on the other side of the world. We're literally 12 hours apart now. Complete different sides. It's 4:30 in the afternoon for you, right? Or no, it's 5. So I'm 11 hours behind you. So yeah, indecisive on the daily chart there. Let's check out the hourly chart. Hourly chart's a little bit more bullish. I mean, we have highs above. We touch into these prices quite a bit at the 420, 25,420s. We're above this previous swing high, so, and we kind of have a bull flag forming. So kind of bullish on the hourly chart, Dave. Especially opening up towards these lows. So I guess more, if I had to lean one side, it'd be longs. Here we go with opening print price. Let me know if y'all can hear me. Sorry if it's really quiet. I'm trying to be a little bit quiet just because I am, it's 4:30 in the morning. My family is trying to sleep, but hey, they understand also. So make sure at least it's facing my voice when I do speak. I gotta stay close to my mic today. Yeah, but I hope everyone's doing amazing. Saucy, good morning, King. Is the music too loud? Or is it just... Is the music or is it just my voice being quiet? Max, Matthew, good morning, King. Welcome in, welcome in. NASDAQ opening up strong to this VWAP right now. Bouncing off the lows here. If we get a closure above VWAP, I'm going to consider longs to be confirmed. Want to look for a closure. Does anyone, Danny, do you know the rules, Queen, for if like here, I'll pull it back up. I already have my trade of eights over the target, under the buffer, but I need 2 more trading days. Can I just trade a micro and like kind of scalp it, or do I have to, like, how does that work? I feel like it would make some sense that I should be okay. 1 MNQ should be fine. Is there like a scalping rule for how long I have to hold it, or? But that's what I wanted to hear. So we'll go trade mode. I'll get this turned on here at the 25,000. I'm gonna be looking for a long at the 25,000s, family. I think we could come down to like the 996s, but I'm gonna try to front run it for a little bit here. I'm gonna try to join this thing at like 25,000. Santiago, good morning, King. Welcome in. Still in Hawaii, baby. Hawaii stream number 2. Happy Thursday to my family. We're doing the thing, friends. We're over the buffer. We just need to scalp 2 micro or a micro for a couple moments. Trade a micro. Hold it for probably 10, 20, 30 seconds. Have today be traded. Yo, there's already 20 incredible, beautiful people hanging out in the stream. Day 2 of my first ever stream in Hawaii. And it means a lot, family. Thank you for being here, showing some love. If you haven't yet, tap the love button. Let's go ahead and smash the likes. Try to get to our 30 like stream goal. D, good morning, King. Let's go, baby. How you been trading? I know you're getting crushing the pay. You're getting close to a payout when last time I left, so hope you got that over the finish line. Passed a few lucid accounts. About to snag a few Apex with a new end of day. Ooh, let me know how those are, Santiago. I'm excited to try it. Use code TFF when you buy them, baby. Trading for freedom. Get that discount. Support the channel. GPT, good morning, King. I'm going to try those same Apex end of day drawdown as well. I'm very excited about it. Good, I got my payout up 7K. Let's go, D. Proud of you, King. That's what it's about right there. Making your money come back. Making your money work for you. NASDAQ looking like we're trying to push up over this VWAP. Like I said, anything above the VWAP, I'm going to consider longs to be pretty sturdy. I want a pullback, though. I don't want it to just go one direction without us. Trying the Apex end of day as well. Hey, Matthew, I'm going to try them after I trade these take profit accounts. I don't want to do it right now while I'm in Hawaii just because I'm trying to trade low-key and enjoy my family, but I am going to be trying them as soon as I get back. Very excited about it. And go ahead and, yeah, Matthew, use code TFF2, baby. Trading for freedom. Yo, you back now. I am back streaming, Victor. Welcome in, King. Good morning. Appreciate you for being here, showing some love. I am not back in Maine, but I am back streaming. I missed Monday. Obviously, I was flying, traveling day. And then Tuesday, I was just kind of, it was a 24-hour travel day, so I was a little messed up. So I just took the day. And then Wednesday we were on. Thursday we were on. I am going to miss next Monday because we're, again, spending 24 hours traveling, family. But I'll be back Tuesday. Ty, have you seen TradeC? I have been using it to trade on my Lucid accounts, and I fucking love it. No way, Santiago. I've heard it a couple times. Haven't tried it, but I'm glad that you're liking it. That gives me some excitement to try it as well. Gives me some excitement to try it as well. Try to push this over here so I don't have to keep turning my face away from y'all. Good morning, Mad Max. Welcome in, King. Anything above VWAP here, if we start basing out, I like longs, family. I kind of wanted a pullback, an opportunity to get in, but right now it's kind of feeling like it's just going to go ahead and leave right without us. Welcome in, Max. How you doing, King? I love it, baby. The family's pulling up, showing some love. Santiago and Matthew trying the Apex end of day drawdown. Guys, Apex changed a lot of rules. A lot happened. Of course, I go on vacation one time. We break out into World War III. Apex fucking updates their entire firm. What is my luck? So much going on in our world. And I'm like, hey, I'm taking a vacation. I booked it fucking 3 months ago. Come on now. Where's my luck? NASDAQ, 6 minutes into the market open, still reaching for new highs at 25,100s. If you guys have not yet placed any trades, be patient for a pullback. I like long. We can't be impatient. Got to fight for a good price. Also, if you haven't yet, show some love to that like button, family. Trying to smash our 30 like stream goal. We didn't get it yesterday for our first stream in Hawaii. That was a little sad. But today's day 2 in Hawaii. I know we can crush it. So just waiting for a pullback at this point, guys. I'm not trying to FOMO win. I like the equal highs above on the hourly chart. We have some prices at the 150s and then a wick at the 200s, high day at the 250s. I like long. You just got to be patient. Do you have any other accounts to trade or only trade profit? Take profit. I don't right now, Dave. Only to take profit accounts. But I'm still going to be looking for good setups. I'm still calling them out. I could be at some Apex accounts right now, but just trying to chill a little bit. I might try a long pullback into this VWAP if the EMA keeps coming into it as well. Around the 80s. I might try a long here on the 80s if we pull back into this VWAP and EMA. I'm looking at 25 150 or 25,000s for a top tick reverse. We're trying to reverse this cat. All right. Hey, I like it, Santiago. I'm kind of seeing longs right now, honestly. We are. I think technically in a bearish market, or actually just completely balanced market, barcoding. But I feel like we're pushing towards the other side of the range right now. I feel like we're pushing towards the other side of the range right now on the hourly chart. Bull flag forming as well. Equal highs above. Reasons to push higher for sure. EMA starting to curl through the VWAP. Makes me want to take it even more. Or at least consider it. I like it. I can't, the reason being, Dave, is I can't buy new accounts on it. I don't have my 2 monitors. So if I was trying to buy accounts, you guys would see all my stuff, all my information and everything. So just complexicated, not worth. Just get these take profit trader accounts funded, get them funded, and then we can go from there, of course. But right now, market's only been open for 8 minutes. Be patient if you haven't taken any trades. Let's see what we can do. I might try to pull back into this VWAP for a long. Again, I don't need much with my EMA, so I mean with my MNQ, so I'm gonna put my order in at the 81s for a long continuation. See if we can get some love. See if we can get some love here at the 81s. Starting to find a little bit of the first time we found some selling in the NASDAQ, so see if we can get tapped in here.
Order filled.
He's always such a delay telling me I got my order filled. Now we're just going to hold it for 20-30 seconds and go. ES rejected the VWAP. Ooh, queen. Good insight. I did not know that. Looks like we're pulling back a little bit, huh? I want to see a little bouncy here. Nothing crazy. Is that so? Wait, what does that mean? If ES rejects, something like an SMT, what they call it. I go ahead and take this off. We get a green candle footprint here. I like the way that we're finding some balance. We're starting to find some resistance at the VWAP, so I like seeing it, but obviously got to be cautious because, you know, ES did reject, and we could reject off the EMA here, so haven't had complete signs of continuation yet, especially if this candle closes pretty heavy. I still like longs, but it might make us be patient. You catch anything? The short queen, she must have caught something nice. Been a bit back and forth today, Dave. Up 140, you. Up 140, queen. Proud of you. Back and forth sounds like this market, not you, but hello traders, smash it today. Happy trading. I finished for trading with trading for profit. Let's go, Chris. Proud of you, King. Good job. Welcome in as well, brother. Hope you're doing great. Might just take this off for a break-even trade.
Order filled.
I lost 20 bucks on that. It's annoying. What a terrible fill. Just got a terrible fill on that. Whatever. We're over the buffer. One more day. One more trading day. And you trying to respect the VWAP, it looks like here. Just got a really bad fill on that price. Oh my god, now it's gonna go. Looks like we were getting that pullback into the VWAP and some safety. Was up a bit, now I'm down $45. No worries, Dave. That's paper cut. Danny battled back. Back and forth. Now she's up 140. Don't need to be looking for the moon. Good morning, fam. How's Hawaii treating you? TLR, welcome in, King. It is exceptional. Truly indescribably perfect. Just everything about it. I'm really considering moving here. Or just moving in general. It really shows me that I haven't seen much of the world. Look at NASDAQ. I got scared out of my little long there, but she is wanting to push higher, I think, here. Depending on how this candle closes at the VWAP. Getting close to our first 15 minutes as well. I don't need to trade again, but I kind of want to try to flip over. How long was I in that trade? A couple minutes. I think it would work if I held it. Pat, good morning, King. Hope everyone has a great day. Patient and wait for your setups. Be patient today. Welcome in, King. Appreciate you for being here as always, showing some love. The man, the myth, the dude. Drop the likes for the Hawaii stream. Let's get it. Day 2 in Hawaii, family. Yesterday we couldn't get to our 30 likes. Today I know we can, so let's go ahead and show some love. Tap the button. Support the channel. Pick each other up. We need 30 likes to smash our goal. We're already getting close. There's 28 people doing it. Let's see what we can do. I'm going to try to make this, see if we can get some 20 bucks back here. Find 10 points in the NASDAQ. I had a really terrible fill in my my order, and I don't like it. I was only down like 5 or 6 points. I got a fill for like 13 points, I feel like. So, terrible fill. NASDAQ looking like we're finding some resistance at the VWAP, but I still really like it to try to push here. Danny said that ES rejected it, but I don't know. EMA starting to curl and reject it as well. This looks like a decent bull flag setup, though. That's what's getting me. Getting close to our first 15-minute range, family. So let's go ahead and get it drawn up right now. I think I have enough range on both ends to get it. Here's the 15-minute range. I like a long at 50% of it. I think I already got it fired. Long at 50% of the range. Would have been around those 47s. Would have been almost the top as well. The top wick of the opening print price. Could have found some extension there, but I'll try another one down here. Trying another long. Below VWAP isn't my favorite thing. But the 15-minute range is getting finished. 15-minute range looks like it's getting finished. EMA is curling through the VWAP, so it's not my favorite.
Order filled.
See if we can get a bounce down here. We're at trading 50% of the 15-minute range. If we don't hold this price, we're going to be heading towards the other side of it. So we're going to have more information here. This is the spot at the top of that opening print candle price. Building out a bull flag. I want to see us try to hold and push back above the VWAP here. Getting some absorption, but we got to get fairly aggressive here. We're at a big spot. Completing the bottom of the 15 minutes. If we reject this, we're going to be heading towards the lows of the 15-minute range. What's up, King? How's your trip? It's going amazing, Paul. Thank you for asking, man. I'm really, really enjoying it. First time ever being this west and ever in a tropical island, anything like that. It's exceptional. It's gorgeous. Indescribable, really. If we get to 25,212, I'm interested in shorts. 25,000 could be a great potential long spot. Hey, I like the idea, Pat. I'm trying the longs here at the 50s. Let's see if we can get back above this EMA. It's going to be a big spot to tell. See if the longs are going to step in right now. See if the longs are going to step in and get us some support above that EMA, back above VWAP. Got to get some love. I was wondering, what is the spot? What is that spot? Enjoy the rest. Enjoy and rest your mind, King. What is that spot? We're in Hawaii, King. And right now I'm in the bathroom, the bedroom. And I'd like to show you guys some views, but it's 4:30 in the morning and very dark outside. Be patient. Let's confirm bias, see what happens. I love it, Pet. Be patient for sure. If we start pushing above the VWAP, longs are going to look pretty steady. We're trying to find some balance here, but EMA is acting as some resistance. Got to get a closure above that EMA for us to be safe. Show me above the VWAP here, NASDAQ. We're getting some balance, but nothing strong yet. One more try. One more try at that VEMA. There we go. Here's a VWAP test. Give me a closure through it. I'm just going to close it there, family.
Order filled.
Don't got to trade nothing crazy today. Just had to hit a little base hit. I wanted to make our 20 bucks back. So now we're over the buffer again. And yeah, trade mode's off. But I do like longs. If we close above VWAP here, I like longs. But I just needed that day right there. So now we're 1 day away from passing. Longs look steady if we close above VWAP. Great little tag and go there. ES is at a 2-hour demand, so it could possibly help NQ bounce. I like that. I like that. Welcome in, Rain Nose. Ray. Sorry if I'm butchering your name, King, but I appreciate you for being here, stopping by, being a part of this family. We pulled back. We pulled back to the 50% of the 15-minute range. Got closure above the VWAP. Longs look pretty steady for the top of the 15 now. Great little snipe there. We tried it initially at the VWAP, found some rejection, and got another good order down there at the 47s. Looks like we're going to flash to the top of the 15-minute range. The bull flag is breaking. If this keeps holding, I like us for continuation possibly. Any ZA on the island. There is some ZA on the island. It's a little bit more like you got to know the locals to get it. I brought a little bit. I brought a pen or two from Maine. Haven't actually enjoyed them yet just because I'm so used to I'm on a little sobriety kick, but work good. Let's go, baby. Let's show some love. How you doing, King? Max doing better now, baby. We're 1 day away from passing these accounts, and I'm in paradise. Haven't had a losing trade yet, or losing day yet in Hawaii, so can't complain, King. Been missing. I don't know, just love the vibes, but missed you, brother. Glad you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. Been having a little trading holiday myself. Let's go, baby. Where are you enjoying? Where are you at? Enjoy it. Brown says, Maui, wow, got that Maui, wowie, that Maui, wowie. Ooh, enjoy Hawaii, bro. I am. I'm soaking it up. Makes it hard to want to go back to Maine. I'm not going to lie. I've been enjoying it, though, family. I really have. Hey, if you're going to be on the tea break, why not do it in paradise? Oh, for sure, Santiago. Like I said, I brought some pens. I'm intending to. It's just, like I said, now I know I can understand how much it hits me, so. Look at the 15-minute range, getting snapped by the NASDAQ, finding a little bit of resistance now, but the longs look fairly steady above the VWAP. Back to green. Let's go, Dave. Sheesh, I don't like this price action. You could take it off if you're back to green, baby. If you don't love it, you don't need to trade it. Good morning, Pobby. Welcome in, King. Welcome in, my boy. That's dedication, King. Even trading in Hawaii. Trading in Hawaii, baby. Trading in paradise. I don't want to miss the family. Don't want to miss stream. We're up here trying to pass these accounts. We're 1 day away now. So we're over the buffer. We have our 4th trading day today. Take profit trader doesn't have like a requirement for the number, right? Like a traded day isn't a big value, right? Right? I think we've technically traded a trading day now. We've taken 2 trades, both held for over 2.5 minutes. Longs are trying to hold a VWAP, pushing for the top of the 15-minute range again here, family. No requirements. Hell yeah. Well, then we're 1 day away from passing some 5 take profit trader accounts. Then we'll be in take profit pro accounts. And then at 10K profit, you're in the next one, right? You're live. Or is that what it is? I forgot. Who cares? Let's just hit our 10K profit. Let's get our monies. Good job passing, bro. I appreciate it, Max. It means a lot. Need 152 more days to get a payout. Dave, you're going to grab that money, King. You're going to get that money, King. Tyler, why didn't you just flip? Hold for like $1 and close. That's probably what I'll do tomorrow, Dave. I didn't know if I was allowed to do that. I wanted to make sure I could like pass their rules, but we have $80 in buffer, so we should be completely fine tomorrow to do it with an MN micro. Just kind of stab it. They are trailing drawdown and take profit trade pro. Keep that in mind. Yeah, the trailing is going to get hard for me to do well at, but it's worth it. Worth the endeavor. Is there an activation fee as well? I don't think so, actually. There's a no fee. No fee 40. So yeah, we're going to see what happens. Hope everybody's trading good, though. Longs look like they're trying to find some support above the VWAP. I liked it. We held the 50% of the 15-minute range. Built a nice little built bull flag. Closed above the VWAP. Pushing higher now into the 140s. Santiago said he wanted the 150s for a top tick reverse, possibly. Don't try to do it on one. Take it slow to get above that buffer. Don't try to do it on one day. Definitely not trying to do it in one trade. One day, probably not either. I'm not sure. What's the buffer? 2100. So you got to just stab it to get above that. Man, trailing drawdown is tough though. Trailing drawdown is it'll make a trader out of you for real. Market's been almost open for 30 minutes here, family. There's 30 people watching. Our goal is 30 likes per stream. We're in Hawaii trying to smash it. We couldn't get to that 30 like stream yesterday, but I know y'all can crush it today. Show some love. We're one day away from passing these accounts. It would mean the most if y'all could stop by and show some support. Smash that button. It would mean the most. Nasdaq had a nice bullish candle there to push through the top of the 15, but now we're getting rejected back inside of it. See what happens here. I still like longs, but you gotta be patient. Come on, family, like it up. Let's go, GPT. What a king. Back into the EMA, back inside of the 15-minute range. I still like longs, but you gotta be careful. You gotta be a little bit careful. Take profit pro accounts is trailing drawdown. You gotta get over that buffer, because that's such a scary place to be. Could wipe your accounts at any moment. You could even bust your accounts with a profit. I think it is 2100, isn't it? Is there 2500 in the 50K's? Excuse me. Also, is the contracts scaling? I'm asking you guys. I should just go look. Enjoy your holiday, bro. See you later. Take it easy, Maxie. I appreciate it. Enjoy yours as well, okay? Where are you? You didn't tell me. You didn't tell me where you're at. Where are you enjoying? Or are you just enjoying the break? But I appreciate the love, King. Enjoy your trip as well. Drawdown. Pro account. What is the buffer? Why does it not tell us? Come on, trader. Come on, take profit trader. No, come on, take profit trader. Whatever. Nasdaq still finding the support above VWAP. Looking like we're pushing higher now. Officially pumping higher. Oh no, just a little trading break. Hey, they're needed, King. Enjoy it. Refresh the mind. Appreciate you for stopping by on your break then, King. Bro, your SE, UID, and password. Bro, your SE's UID and password. Oh no, did I just dox myself? Oh no. That's not good, Panda. Don't trust the market later. Longed 128 and stopped out at 130. Well, I hope the 28 people in here are good human beings. Reset that quick. How do I do that? How do I do that? On message support. Oh gosh. Hi, Mira. Could you reset my username for my TPT accounts, please? Accidentally leaked them. I wonder if they've ever got that message before. Yeah, you're the man, Panda. Thanks for letting me know. I know my family in here is good people. They won't do anything crazy, but I should reset it anyways. You're concerned about the using password. Could you please clarify if you are looking to change your username or if you need assistance with securing your account? This will help me provide the most accurate guidance. We'll just change it. We can just change it, I think. Although I don't think it matters. Oh no, it does matter. Does it matter? It does matter. I say, would you guys have to log into my account first? I don't know. Family is trustworthy though. Do it just in case, brother. I'm gonna do it work for sure, but I do trust y'all. To change your username for your Take Profit account, you can upgrade your last name in the profile section of the TPT dashboard. Please ensure that your name matches your documents for tax and verification purposes. If you need further assistance or have concerns about account security, please let me know. Would you like to be connected to an agent? Change my last name. Huh. Yes, connecting to an agent. What a goof. What a goofy guy, huh? Joel, good morning, King. Welcome in, baby. First and foremost, appreciate you for stopping by, showing some love. NASDAQ finally finding some support above the VWAP, pushing higher here. I think AI is thinking you want to change the legal name on it. I think the same thing, Santiago. That's why I said, yo, give me a real human being that can help me through this. I see your name is listed as Tyler Scott and your email is blank. Is that correct? Yes. Is this related to a specific number? To a specific account numbers? No. No problem. I will pass your support. An agent will be with you soon as they can. You will be notified here when they respond. Alright. Sure. Thank you, Mira. We wait. We wait. We wait. And we trust the family. We trust the family. Tell it to trade of 8. Tell it to trade of 8. Yeah, I'm gonna try. I'm trying, Santiago. No big blacks today. Big whites. Big whites, no XP either. Welcome in, King. Still the best name around. Hilarious. 25-200, I might get tagged in. Let's go. I like it. I like the opportunity, Santiago. Have tight risk on it. We are also breaking into that previous wick, so anything could happen. Hope you're enjoying your vacation. Truly so much, Joel. Like, it feels incredible. They have the worst support team. Oh no, Panda, really? 196 is you better get tagged in, Santiago. Congrats on 5 funded TPT accounts, Ty. Proud of you, bro. Let's lock in some daily payouts with these. Show some love, guys. Smash that like button. Let's go, Pat. Way to show some love, King. Appreciate the hype and love and support. How is your trading going, Patsky? How is it going, Patsky? Showing some love to us. How are you doing? Dan, I hope you're still up 140 or up more if you've taken any more longs. Risking 35. I like that. Yo, Ty, any breach stream soon? Any beach stream soon? LOL, go around Alaquana Mall if you want to go shopping around. I think we were in Ala Moana last night. Unless you mean Koana, they're different. But it was gorgeous. That's where we went. We went turtle snorkeling. The waves were wild, a little bit choppy out there, but we were getting pushed all around. Actually, quite a bit of us got seasick. It was an interesting moment, but it was a crazy experience. I loved it. I figured out I can swim pretty well. way better than I thought I could. But yeah, I literally jumped off the boat and I was like one of the first ones in. Actually, I was the first one in the water. And I was terrified. I'm not gonna lie, because I don't like deep ocean like that. It kind of freaks me out. Just because I thought we'd be closer to the like land and so I could see, but once I jumped in and I had my snorkel on, I looked down and I'm just literally in a pod of fish, and I'm talking like giant, beautiful silver and like yellow, blue, just so many fish. I could literally touch them, and they were like bigger than like they were huge. It was the coolest experience. And then we swam a little bit closer, found some sea turtles. Insane. It was just such a lovely experience. How's the weather? I'm going back this summer. Paul, indescribably gorgeous. The humidity, perfect. No bugs. The rain, it's barely rains. It's just sprinkled a little bit and then stops. It's just, and the people are so nice. The food is amazing. It's hard to not want to leave. I'm not going to lie. You take somebody from Maine that's been in Maine their whole life and you bring them to paradise and they're going to be addicted to it. We are going long bias, guys. Wait for your setups. Absolutely, Pat. I was looking for longs back early. Trying to grab one at the VWAP. Gave it up a little bit early when I didn't like the rejection. And then we came back into the 50% of the range. Grabbed another one. And longs got steady from there. It was awesome, Queen. It really was. Nice. Do zip lining. That was fun in the North Shore. Also UTV and Kulano Ranch, super fun. Yes, GPT. We actually intend to do that. Kailua Ranch is what it's called. Oh, I think you're probably more close than I am. Yeah, Kailua Ranch is going to be incredible. Guys, look at the hourly chart. Look at that candle closure on the hourly. That to me tells us continuation possibly, at least to these equal highs up here at the high of day. So we don't know what we don't know, but that looks like a very strong closure. No, I'm very excited for that. Go ziplining. Delete the house and then go back. I might be doing that, Panda. I'm not gonna lie to you, King. I might be becoming a resident here. Hi, how can I help you today? Trading platform credentials? I might have to do this off stream, guys. I need help resetting my TPT 50K. I'll do the 50K. 50K account login info. I accidentally streamed it. Trading platform credentials. Aiming for top of the 15-minute range, but I might get stopped out at break even. My break even on. You got tagged into the 200s. What a great entry. Got to see if we can break through this EMA for you to be pushing through. We're obviously above that daily opening print price. Anything could happen. The hourly candle looks very bullish. Thanks, Santiago, for help. Absolutely. Marking out where he's getting in for shorts. Wants to see some support. He's already up about 30 points right now. Stops above the highs. Looking for this to break back below daily opening print price. His break even's on. Good trade, Santiago. Still waiting for support. Longs look steady here. Appreciate you both, Panda, for letting me know. What's your TPT login in general? No specific account, but they know that, lol. It's your TPT login in general. Not one specific account, but they know that, lol. I don't think so, because my actual login information to get into my account is different. Like, to log into my Take Profit, you know, you need my username and password, which I know I haven't leaked. But the actual accounts, like to get into my Trade-Evate, that is the thing that I showed. You short from the 25,200? Santiago did, yeah. And his break even's on. He's looking for us to break back into the top of 15-minute range. The only thing that scares me about it is how steady. Like I said, the hourly chart is very bullish on the hourly candle printed very strong. Because your TPT login to get into your Trade-Evate accounts is different than your actual Trade-Evate. Yeah, it's for your Trade-Evate. It's for your Trade-Evate for TPT accounts. Yeah. Totally. It is indeed. I'm at 1,500. Let's go, Panda. Here we go, King. Guys, check this out. Market opens here 4:30 a.m. Then 4:40, 4:45. Now we're trading right now at 5 in the morning. A little trading at 5 in the morning. Like what? We tried to find a long early, about 10 minutes in the market open at the VWAP. Got a little bit of reaction, but nothing crazy. Closed it for a little snipe, and then pulled back into 50% of the range. Grabbed a long down here, which tends to be the bottom tick right now for a nice strong push. We like seeing it. Thomas, how you doing, King? How's your trading going? You probably just woke up. You probably haven't taken any trades yet. Let's go, Panda. 1500's real, though. Is that in a to pass a combine, or are you going to fund it right now? Trying some Apex end-of-day drawdown. Matthew and Santiago. Y'all let me know. I'm going to try them as well as soon as I can. Lost 200 on the Apexes. Hey, but you get that payout. Your case has been promptly escalated to our manager for review. Typically, this takes up to business 8 hours. However, your query was resolved or received exact response following business day. We apologize for anything inappropriate. Hey, that's why you said they're terrible, huh? You'll be contacted via email once the review is complete. Thank you for your understanding. Take profit credentials or trade away credentials. Trade away. Well, we have 24 hours, it looks like, or 8 hours. But like I said, I got the best family around, so I have reasons to trust them. But if you guys wanted to come in here and bust them, that'd be crazy. Pass the combines for the other accounts. Fuck yeah, let's go, King. Trading early this morning. I like it, Thomas. Poking the 9:30 market open. He's adjusting. I like to see it. Best time to wake up in Hawaii. Never miss the sunrise around Oahu. I fully agree. Right now the moon is still very strong shining, but it will be setting soon and the sun will be peeking through. I just tried 10 Apexes on end of day and passed. I liked it better than better. It was definitely easier. Let's go, Joel. I'm excited to try that myself. Bro, delete the live and go back just for just for safety. Delete the live. Can't do it. Then we'd have to have like it'd ruin the whole vibes. Sorry, typo. I meant past one. Hey, past one's amazing, Joel. Still be proud of yourself, King. Code TFF, baby. Let's fucking go. Just hit full TP. Santiago, what an exit. Traded from the 200s. He was calling it out for a while. Got snagged in there. Traded to the top of the 15-minute range for a nice, beautiful 80 points. Great trading, King. Family, there's 25 beautiful, incredible people being a part of this community right now, spending the morning together. For me, it's morning. For y'all, different parts of the world, different timing, but I appreciate every single one of y'all. If you have not yet, let's show some likes to the love button. Smash that thing. Let's get over our 30 like stream goal. We have not hit it yet in Hawaii, so we have a little work to do. I know it'd mean the most. Little Hawaii goal reach at the 30s. Looks like we're trying to bounce off the top of the 15 right now. I'm not sure. See how 125 reacts, 15-minute orb high. I like that, Dave. See if we find some support here. If we do, we could probably push for those equal highs above on the hourly chart. If we start finding support, you could start targeting towards those 212s, 215s. Caught that short. Let's go, Queen. Yes. What's that put you at? Short Queen back at it again. Short Queen back at it again, Danny. If we push up here, I might look long around the 173s. I like that. Looks like we're trying to. We'll see what happens. Excuse me. Up 400. Let's fucking go, baby. Proud of you, Queen. Good trading today. You said you were back and forth, and now you're up on a fat, nice little... What account is that? Is that in funded in your MFF, or what account are you trading? Bum, 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 bum. Overall, how would you rate your chat experience? My manager will help you with that as soon as possible. Oh yeah, you're so useful. Thanks, Tyler, for chatting with us. Please feel free to reach out with any further questions. Your manager will help with that as soon as possible. That's not very useful, Ryan. I don't know how I want to rate you, honestly. It wasn't very quick and speedy. You just immediately push it off to your boss. I blew. No, still an eval. Yeah, it's okay, Queen. That's the process. I blew my top step funded, was up 3,500 in full mode. Came yelling, came calling. Yeah, you live and you learn. It sure does, Joel. Damn, up 3,500 and then FOMO got you is tough, but still good trading. Proud of you nonetheless. Up 3,500, that's real money, real cash. Yeah, I called out shorts around 150s and 200s for my potential zones, W's. Yes, you did. It's good trading, Santiago. Danny caught it with you. Oh shit, Joel, that sucks. That really does suck, King. It really sucks. But hey, sadly, the lessons in trading are expensive. It's how it's weird to think like it, but it's better that it happened with a 3,500 account instead of like a 35,000 account or something, you know. So just learning lessons that will come back to be valuable. Doesn't feel like it in the moment, but it will be incredibly valuable. Family, there's 28 people watching. We're so close to our 30 like stream goal. If you haven't yet, it's a big ask, but we're trying to hit our goal in Hawaii. Second day streaming here ever. Very exciting. Tempting. Tempting to make this thing a little bit more consistent. I love it out here. The vibes. Everyone on the island. I have not met a rude person yet. Everyone is like overly nice. Like really just people will be honking at you and just wave at you, be nice, and like to the cash register people, to the waitresses, everybody's exceptional. And I'm not even in, like we have gone to the city like Honolulu and Waikiki where it's like a bit more populated and like city like. Actually there's like literally high rises everywhere. Very touristy. But we're out here in like the actual in Makaha Valley, which is like fairly resident friendly. Like it's very, you know, not rural, but just different, the other side of the island where it's a lot more local. And man, it's still, the people are just so nice. The weather, unbelievable. I'm actually kind of red. I don't know if you guys can see. Got a little bit of sun. Um, no bugs. Really, I think I've seen like 3 mosquitoes, and I was in the jungle, so it's exceptional. I know there's bugs. I'm sure there's buggier seasons, but thanks, guys. Just gonna keep charging forward. That's it, Joel. I love it, baby. Yep, love this community so much. So thanks for bringing us together, Ty. Thank y'all for stopping by, being a part of it. I love the community too, Joel. Let's go, baby. We got the best community around, family. I know you gotta have some bankrolls to live down there. Are the groceries expensive? So that's the thing too, Santiago. That's funny you say that because I'm guessing rent and everything's a little bit. I haven't checked out like properties, but the cost of living for like food, very comparable to Maine. Maine has a very high cost of living. I don't know why. They call it vacation land, but in Maine, you're gonna spend $20 for a meal going out to eat. Milk is $4 or $5. I think it's $5. I haven't bought milk. I don't know, but eggs $5. That's all. I have not found any more. The food is the exact same price here, which blew my mind. Gas is more. I think in Maine right now, gas is like 280. Gas up here is like 412, 420. So that's gross. But there's not a lot of driving on the island anyway, obviously. So yeah, gas is more expensive. Food not. Obviously, if you want to do touristy stuff, then you have to pay a fee to, you know, go snorkeling or go zip lining or stuff like that. But for the most part, it's all very comparable. I haven't checked out rent yet. I saw a couple places um, that looked like, yeah, decent, like 1,600 for a 1 bedroom, which I thought is, you know, fairly reasonable. Again, it's not much different than Maine, so just crazy, crazy overall. The only thing I don't love about it is you still got to pay taxes, right? So that's why Puerto Rico might be actually the play. But it gives me excitement to go try Puerto Rico out. Now I'm excited to go try it, explore, to wait for this dude's manager. Good guy. Finding some support above the top of the 15-minute range. We tap back into it, looking like we're trying to push higher. It's pretty crazy though, because like I said, Maine does have a high cost of living in itself, so it's pretty unnatural. And I guess I was told that, but I never knew that was true until I'm in literally paradise and I'm finding the same cost for things. And people said, I remember hearing a lot of people say like, oh well, Don't be deterred by the prices of food and stuff, because, you know, it's just an island. Everything has to be imported. But it's like, this is exactly what I pay for my milk and eggs. This is exactly what I pay for a steak. Like, I don't see anything different right now. Once I get established trading, you're going to catch me in Puerto Rico as well, Alabama. Let's go, Santiago. I'll be right there, King. We can do some meetups, hangouts. It's going to be exceptional. I'm pretty sure I get to write this whole trip off on my taxes for next year because I'm streaming here, making a little business trip. I'll call it scouting out for my business, see if I want to move here. It's gonna be exciting. Barbados is expensive as hell, one of the most expensive in the world. Barbados, haven't been there, but I bet a Suzuki costs like 60 USD. Oh my god. A Suzuki costs 60 grand. That is not for me. Not for me. I haven't checked out the car prices and stuff yet here. Bikes or nothing. I'm gonna get you into the bike scene, drag racing and shit. All right, King. Hey, I mean, I'm probably gonna want to have a bike or a moped on the island anyway, so we'll see. Nasdaq rejecting off the top of the 15, below daily opening print price, getting back inside of it now, inside of the top of the 15, getting close to VWAP. The hourly chart is still looking very bullish, but right now we're getting a strong pullback. We'll see what happens here as we develop a little bit more. Price. Yep, if you visit Barbados, I got you, bro. Is that where you're at, Joel? Is that where you're at 24/7? I would make a trip out there. It's a beautiful island, white sandy beaches. Yup. No way, Joel. W King. Trading in paradise. What a lifestyle. I'll make a trip out there, explore. I'm down to... Now, this showed me I want to explore a lot more. I've been in Maine my whole life, just seeing the exact same things. And just seeing the difference here is like, wow, this planet is huge. Like, Hawaii shook me. It's way bigger than I thought it was. And I'm on Oahu, which is even the biggest island, so... I wanna be explorative while I can before we settle down into the next stages of life. Check the world out a little bit. Beautiful white sandy beaches. I haven't seen any white beaches here, but I know there's a classic one I haven't explored yet. You a dragon in Chinese astrology? Blake, I don't know. I think a goat. What's January? I don't remember. Joel. Blake. Nasdaq selling into the top of the 15 right now. We're finding some resistance at those 25,180s. It was a great retest. ABC stores everywhere over there. A bit crazy. Year 2000, 1988. Yeah, 2000. Born in the 200. Why do you ask, Blake? Come down, bro. I'll show you all the local spot, all the best spots. Was trading under a coconut tree last week. What an exceptional thing, yeah, Dragon. You gotta travel. Let's go. Let's go, Joel. Trade under a coconut tree. Yeah, Dragon, you gotta travel. He's telling me what my body needs. I love it. Dragon, most powerful sign. No way. Hey, I'll take it. I'm down to travel. I want to check out the world. Check out Barbados. Check out Puerto Rico. And then, you know, I want to go to Europe. Check out all the spots over there. You can do a little Europe thing and hit a bunch of spots. France, Germany, Italy. You'd hit them all up pretty quickly. Netherlands. I want to travel. I want to do it, family. And we're going to. We're going to do it. Funded by the NASDAQ here soon. I got Googles. I got goggles that salt water burns my eyes. I got a lot of salt water inside of me yesterday from that snorkeling trip and swallowed a bunch and stuff. Come over to Switzerland, brother. Shiro. Look, King, you don't gotta ask me twice. Switzerland looks stunning. Like, what a beautiful, beautiful country. Yeah, same here. Gotta widen my culture. Absolutely, Joel. This man says that when he lives in Barbados. Drop the likes for the live stream, everyone. Aloha. Aloha. Mahalos. Pat, let's go, King. Family, I don't know how close we are to our 30 likes goal. I don't. But I know we can smash it. Yesterday we weren't able to do it, but today we can hit our 30 like stream goal while we're in Hawaii. It would mean the most. I'm coming with you, Ty. Let's do it, Pat. That'd be sick. Plan a little trip. Probably have to meet up in our boarding flights or our probably have to meet up in our landing. Probably couldn't schedule it for our layover flights, but try to get connected. Or I could even fly down to Virginia, or we could both leave from Boston. Who knows? 24, 23, 24 likes. That means that we're 6 away, family. 6 people in here that haven't tapped the button that could help us get to our 30 like stream goal. We weren't able to get it to yesterday, but today I have good vibes about it. First time to hit our goal in Hawaii. Truly, guys, I wish I could just like share the way that it feels with you guys, because it's indescribable. Like I can't. That's what I just keep saying, because I can't even put it into words. Like you look to your right and you're seeing these gorgeous textured layered mountains with just mountainous rolling size, like overwhelming size. And you look to your left and there's just shore, beautifully crystal blue water smashing on the water, and just this nice sand, soft sand. And it's just like, God, it's just the best of both worlds everywhere. Anzal Muhammad, welcome in, King. Hi, hi, hi. Welcome to the family. Appreciate you for being here, showing some love. Welcome into the fam. Best community around. Fuck, I entered with 23 contracts instead of 3, and now my account is gone. What the fuck happened? No fucking way, Danny. 23 contracts? You probably had like 2 on. You tried to delete it and put 3, and then accidentally just didn't delete it and put 3. Oh my God, that's so shitty. I'm sorry, Danny. Super shitty, Queen. Nobody deserves to lose an account like that. 027's long for the 973s. Okay. Oh, Olum or 973s. I don't know, Joel. I mean, that's Santiago. Right now, the weakness that we just saw to get back below VWAP tells me you should be looking lower. Probably the 970, 973s then. Sounds amazing. I always wanted to go, and the people I heard are really welcoming. They're so welcoming, Joel. That was actually I was surprised by that. Like, people are so nice. Nicer than I've experienced. In Maine, everyone's just kind of quiet, and like they'll like just keep to their own, stick to their own. There's no kindness, no hospitality. People are kind. They're very sweet people, but they're just very like to themselves and reserved and not very friendly. But the people here are so friendly, so welcoming, so smiley and energetic. I guess it's hard to have a bad vibe in Hawaii, huh? No way. I know that's so shitty, Santiago. I'm sorry, Danny. I went long and she dumped. Straight down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 candles straight down. Super shitty, Danny. Oh crap, I'm really sorry, Danielle. Definitely, Joel. That's so crap, man. Sorry, Danny. Let's go, family. Way to pick her up. So I fucking love you guys so much. Best community around. Fresh air all day by the seaside. Best feeling ever to relax. Oh my gosh, truly. You can just sit in the shore. So like where the water gets like pulled back and forth, you just sit right there. Also, guys, when I was like, it's the most fun I've ever had in water. Literally, if you're standing there and you get caught in a swell, the feeling when it pushes up on the shore and then it starts sucking back is so strong. I've never felt it. It literally will like take your feet out from underneath you and then throw you back up on shore, and it's like you get to just play like a kid again in the water. It was so much fun. Haven't tried surfing yet. I will update you guys absolutely when I hit that, but I'm very excited about it. I'm like, what if I would have held to this point, but I know on that retrace up, I would have ended up closing. Yeah, I mean, hey, Santiago, something to work for, King. Practice holding your trades. You had a beautiful entry. You could have put your break even on, and then you could have been in this. Obviously, it's a who knows, shoulda, coulda, woulda, but just an idea. Break evens, that's why I trust them. I try to trust break evens or bust, because sometimes it works. Get a baby blue rooftop when going to Hawaii, lol. I want to get a little Jeep so I can just take down the sides, open the doors, take the top off. Worked my ass off on this account this week. Fuck. Danny, I'm so sorry, Queen. Trying to have 2 fucking accounts going and trades 3 is so shit. Tries to have 2, tries to change it into 3, doesn't delete the 2, has 23, and then gets fucking 12 red candles in a row to go take out the lows to the 15-minute range. Is so unlucky. I don't have that discipline yet. Something to work towards, King. You're on the right process. You're on the right path. Beautiful price action on the NASDAQ today. If you're green, lock it out and get some sun. Drink some sun up, Pat says. I love it. I can feel your excitement through the screen, King. Feels great for you. You deserve the spoils of your toil. It does. It feels really good, and I'm just grateful to share it with my family. Like, there's 4 generations of us here, right? So my niece, 4 generations of our women, my niece, my sister, my mom, and my grandmother all here together exploring this for the first time as a family. It's so special. Can't really put it into words. You can do this, Santiago. You got this. Reflect and realize you know what's going wrong and you can improve on it. Nothing's wrong. I mean, like I said, you didn't do anything wrong. You just took a snipe. You took a little scalp there, and if you had a feeling that we could have pushed all the way down, then that was something that you could have done better. But if it, I don't think it was an emotional exit. You just have to have the discipline of being able to hold and learn that the market will move sometimes. I guess today's price action on that hourly candle closure, I would have closed early as well. I don't know. I'd have been looking for a full reversal. Again, you don't get to know. Like, it's a who knows type of thing. But yeah, just practice holding your trade a little longer if you think there's more moves. Wow, that's great, King. Trading for freedom and family. Love it. Same here. That's all we're doing, Joel. That's all we're doing, King. Trading for family or trading for freedom. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 red candles in a row. Hunting the bottom of the 15-minute range. What the hell? Danny, you got caught in the slipperiest slope there is with size. Imagine if you would have had 23 on accident shorting. No, of course not, but imagine. I'm sorry, Queen. That's super shitty. Actually, so shitty. I'm so sad. I hate that. I feel so bad. I wish there was anything I could do, Danny. I actually genuinely fucking hate it. I'm sorry, Queen. I was like, message support, but they won't understand. They're not a better feeling than giving back to the people who propped you up and built you up. Nothing. Nothing even close. Nothing even close, Joel. My family's one of my biggest motivators. Anyone that knows me knows that. Try to pick your head up, Queen. It's a shitty mistake, an expensive one. You worked hard for it, but we know you're a hell of a trader, so just a little technical error there. Trying to turn 2 contracts into 3, but it's not the end of the world. You will bounce back. I believe in you. But I'm starting to hear my family stir out there, family. We have 1 more day to trade on these take profit accounts. Since we are in Hawaii, I'm going to go ahead and just do an hour today instead of our normal. Everybody that stopped by showed some love, supported each other, supported me, and dropped a like. It means the most. I appreciate you guys so deeply. The only reason I could even consider streaming and trading in Hawaii is because I miss my community. You guys are the best around. You guys make it easy to be here. So I love every single one of you and appreciate you guys deeply. Makes you feel better. I blew my account after a 16-day streak. I did get a 2K payout after losing. 1K on that streak. Hey, W's, Blake. Way to show some love with a common story. Camaraderie of pain. Congratulations on a 16-day streak. It's insane, man. Be proud of that. And the 2K payout is no joke. So, NASDAQ, wow. From the 180s down into the 960s, getting through the bottom of the 15-minute range now. Complete rejection of that range. Insane price action we're seeing right now. Short at 94s, stops at 646s, plus 162, day 3. Day 4, getting off the charts. Let's go, Dave. Come on, King. Good trading. Love you all, fam bam. Let's go, Dave. Love you too, brother. So sorry, Danny. I know it sucks and you feel frustrated and upset about it. It's just a process. Just the process. You'll come out on top and keep at it. I'll blow lots of accounts, and eventually you get paid. She's been paid. She knows this. She knows, but it is just a shitty happening. So I'm sorry. We're all sorry, Queen. The NQ gave it all back crazy, all the way back, Max. Into the 940s right now. Complete slip and slide. Pure rejection of the range. Daily opening print price. Now we're starting to print pretty bullish, bearish on the daily chart as well. Inverted that hourly bullish candle. Crazy. Got back to a 50K account. The 1000 drawdown was hard. 1000 drawdown is tough on the 25K. I feel better. I gave my chair a swing. Let's go, Danny. Proud of you, Queen. Way to be positive about it and bounce out. Up 1000 now on this short. She said, you know what, I'm flipping over, and now she's crushing. Up 1000. Let's fucking go, Danny. It sucks and it doesn't suck at the same time. We want to learn lessons, but we don't. But when we do, it sucks even more. 100% Blake. 100%, but it's like I said, King, it's the process. The lessons are expensive and annoying, but they will be very impactful for when we're trading. Again, we're only however long into this journey. Add 5, 10 years onto your trading experience, and then you'll be grateful for all these lessons, you know? 5, 10 years, you guys won't remember each blown account, but you'll remember the lessons that will make you a very profitable trader. So it's all worth it. Oh, you'll get paid even more than nothing but bread for you. Absolutely, Joel. All right, family. If you haven't yet, I don't know how close we are to our 30. I'm going to wrap it up today for an hour into our stream. Still in Hawaii, still trying to enjoy paradise, but I still want to be here with you guys. Tomorrow, we're one day away from passing these take profit accounts. We're going to have some take profit pros. We'll see what happens, but I love you guys so much. It means the most that y'all spend your mornings with me. Let's see what we can do. NASDAQ, just blood in the streets right now. Hopefully, we just don't keep chopping because this balanced price action is tough to trade in the high time frame, but I love y'all. Drink some sun, get some water, hug somebody you love, and we'll be back tomorrow to pass these accounts and finish off the week. Enjoy your day. I enjoy all y'all day as well. I appreciate you guys. Peace.